Yes, my people, let's talk about swing structure, fractal structure, and the differences between them and how you can use it to catch some bangers. So first of all, what is swing structure? What is fractal structure? Well, swing structure is just your external highs and lows. So for example, this is my swing structure. I have a high, I have a low, I have a higher high, a higher low. If I'm marking out my swing structure, I'm marking out these highs and lows here. Within these highs and lows, if you zoomed into it, you're going to see something like this. Okay. Now this here, within our swing structure, is fractal structure. You can call it internal structure, you can call it lower time frame structure, but it's fractal structure. It's going to tell you what is happening within your swing structure and what is happening within your higher time frame structure. I'll break it down on the charts for you now. First, let's start off with our overall swing structure. You can see we put in a high, a low, a higher high. Now I know ultimately I'm trading between this low and this high because we haven't candle closed above it. These 2 points here are my swing structure. Now let's look at fractal structure. When we had this high here and we closed above it, fractally we went high, low, higher, high. This here then gives me my bullish demand zone where I can look for swing structure continuation. I can look for price to put in a higher low, higher high. How do I know if we're going to continue expanding up or if we are actually going to come tap into this higher time frame SNDR? We can tell if we're in this expansion or pullback phase based on fractal structure. So externally, we're trading between this low and this high. Fractally, what have we done? We've just got a fractal change of character. That now tells me price is more likely to head lower. If we went on the 1 minute time frame, for example, this is the 15 minute, it would be a change of character, but on the higher time frame, it's not. So fractally, we can say price is likely now to do this. Come back into this range and move lower. Boom. There we go. You can see we broke it. We came back into this range. We move lower. Let's see if we fill in more of this range. Look at that. We swept the first touch. Yeah, broke it. First touch here, sorry. Swept that and then move lower. So now by still focusing on this internal structure, low, high, lower, low, we'll see what price decides to do. Now we've tapped into this SNDR where we're expecting what? The swing structure to now continue into an uptrend. We need the fractal structure to back that. By the fractal structure backing that, it would be a close or to run this high here. So let's see if price runs this high here, because fractally we're still more likely to respect this and start moving lower. So let's see. Okay, we can see now we came into here and we ran this high. Now again, it's another internal change of character. Swing structure, we've always been bullish from this low to this high. Now fractal structure, we are now bullish as well. Once we came and ran this high again on a lower time frame, that is likely a candle close. So now what can I expect on the fractal structure? Now they both align. This is when I want to get in. I can expect price to retrace into here and move up. We're coming down, we're retracing into here. Beautiful, we pull up and then we get what? A new fractal break structure. So I can now expect price to come back into this zone and do what? Move up and likely come finally take out this high. Look at that, beautiful. Just by using fractal structure. Again, you get a new fractal close here, come back into this zone, and then we candle close above that high. Now we're coming in to this bearish zone here, this bearish area of supply that price is just trading into now. How do we know if price is going to reject from here? Well, again, our swing structure, we're still trading between this protected low we mentioned and this high because we still haven't closed above it. But are we likely to get a change of character from the supply zone, or should I still look for buys anywhere above this low? Again, if I mark my fractal structure, what did we have? Boom, boom, boom. So once we closed or took out this low, I know price is likely to what? Come, respect this fractal structure and move down. So even though technically we're bullish, I know this supply zone from time ago is being respected. And ideally, if I'm going with a current direction, the current order flow, I should go for sales. So we come tap into here. Nice. We run this low. I can then draw a new area of supply from here to here. I can expect price to come into here, move lower. We've just dumped from there. But now when I'm looking at the structure, can you see I knew we were going to get this change of character. I didn't know if this supply zone from last week was going to work or not. But when I saw this fractal change in structure, once we took out this low here, I knew, okay, price is likely to pull back and we're likely to get a change of character now. And I'm not looking for buyers, looking for buyers, getting stopped out, because I know this change of character is coming based on fractal structure. Telling you, when it comes to market structure, the rabbit hole gets deeper and deeper, but it's actually simple when you learn it properly, and it's so effective. If you want to join my premium Discord group, please feel free to click the link in the description below. I also have a completely free Discord. You're more than welcome to join. Appreciate any subscribes, any likes, any comments, etc. Any questions you have at all, please drop in the comments below. Appreciate you as always, and I'll catch you in the next video.